is a proud moment for all of us. Such achievement increase credibility of our infrastructure development and also inspire the entire construction ecosystem to think big. It is with a great pleasure and pride that I extend my wishes to Ghaziabad Aligarh Expressway Limited, which is a SPV of Cube Highways in collaboration with L&T for setting a new record of highest ever laying of bituminous concrete. We all are amazed with this remarkable achievement of laying of bituminous concrete for 100 lane kilometers in 100 hours.